Hi everyone in Cyber World, welcome back to another project. I'm Poor Man.
I'm Mrs. Poor Man.
Today we decided to try something extremely drastic and different from what we normally do.
I am now standing on the right hand side on your left.
Sorry, little cornball. Today's project is nothing spectacular. It seems kind of boring, but it made a real difference for our house. All we're doing on this particular project is we pulled off all the doors in the house, closets and everything, and we resurfaced them, we sanded them down, did some patches for some big holes that the previous owners left us, and then repainted them, big holes. We replaced some of the hardware with some new hardware, and it came out pretty nice. So let's take a look at what we did.
Mrs. Poorman caught a cold and lost her voice, so her alternate personality is here in her place.
Poor Man began the project by removing the doors.
Some of the hardware on the doors had been painted over and over, so we opted to replace them. All the doors had ancient, rusted door stops that just had to go.
As for the doorknobs, they were all in excellent shape, so we decided to reuse them.
Most had paint on them, but a little elbow grease took care of that, and they all looked new when we cleaned them up.
After removing the doorknobs, I reassembled them and placed them in individual Ziploc bags and annotated on the bag which door it came from.
Here's where the real fun began. While doing construction, I decided to use the small bedroom for sanding and painting, but to prevent sawdust and paint overspray from spreading into the other rooms, we sealed the room up. Here's what the master bedroom door looked like when we moved in. I suspect someone punched it and made a huge hole, then literally threw on a ton of compound and painted over it without sanding it. Being the poor man, I did not want to go and purchase a new door, so I decided to patch it properly and see how well it would come out.
The first step in this room was to sand down the doors. This was not to strip the paint but only to make the surface rough so that the paint would hold on to it.
I then got to use my brand new toy which I obtained for my birthday. Thanks, Mom and Dad! Now that I use the sprayer, I plan to use it every chance I can. It was extremely fast and the finished product looked incredible.
We then painted the door frames, but we had to go back to the good old paintbrush.
Before installing the new hinges, I first broke off toothpicks in the previous drill holes to make a snug fit when screwing in the new hardware. I did the exact same in the door frames when hanging the doors.
We selected chrome hinges to install because they matched the doorknobs, which we reinstalled next. Lastly, I purchased modern door stops which use high-power magnets to hold together and ordered Poor Man to install them.
Now to test it out. High five. And there you have it. Proof that refinishing doors can also be a huge improvement to your house. By the way, here is the before and after of the damaged door. It came out so well that we didn't have to purchase a new one. Well, that's all for now. We'll see you again with more projects real soon. Bye-bye.